here we are, back working on the base for our mill. We started this a while ago and expected to be back at it right away, but the story of this spring has been just rain, rain, and more rain. So it actually was raining yesterday. Chance of rain today, I believe, but we are going to try and get this base put together. So Gary's just putting up the 6x6s that we milled, and we're going to take them over and put them on the base that we've got started over there. Anything to add?
No, just lots of black flies.
Yes, yes. That's the other thing that spring has brought with us, a lot of black flies. Go.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is left fly. We're going to throw the rest of them 2x6s on. We're going to square up one end so it goes against that. Let them stick over. Line the two sides up and square them. Run a string down here. Do the Pythagorean theorem across there. Then we'll cut them off.
All right.
Then we'll lay the joist on. Do the same with that. Cut them all off.
Sounds good. And stop eating the black flies.
Oh, can I cut that
I got
off?
one ready. You want me to get out of the way here? You?
Yeah. I might knock over your tripod. Shim under there, 1/4 inch shim. It's rough, but so far 6 are pretty good. Bad, down a little bit. Could take that down a little bit with the chainsaw. Okay, I'll just take this down a little bit. Right here, this corner here's up a little bit.
When you say a little bit, I know it's a very little bit because you're picky.
1/8 of an inch.
1/8 of an inch on a sawmill base.
Should do her. Cut these 12 inches.
Okay, what are you doing now?
We're going to cut cleats so we bond all three together. We're going to put a cleat coming up here, nail into there, and into there on both sides.
All right, and this is the 2x6 material we have milled up for this purpose. We've got a couple of them that have a little bit of rot in the couple of spots, so we're going to use those and cut those up as the cleats. So that's the next job. Yep.
Okay, so what we're going to do to attach the cleats to the 6x6s, we're going to use galvanized nails. So hopefully they'll last a little longer than the cedar.
And your battery operated framing nailer, which is so handy. Things have come a long ways with battery operated tools. Rip, by the way, is barking at a rock.
These nails over here.
Rip! Rip! Cut it out. It's a rock.
Oh, he's got that floor right up over there.
I know. Stop. Stop. Hey, that's enough.
Need to put the power on. That might work. A little better. Two down.
You're so weird.
Okay, so we have all the cleats all on, nailed in place. Lots of nails. So
Yeah.
now we're gonna lay out for a floor joist.
They're not going anywhere.
No. So we're gonna just lay out here for our floor joist. We're gonna go 19.2 inches
On center?
on center. So our first one, we're gonna stay back 3/4 of an inch, hook on that, and away we go at 19.2 inches. Okay? See you in a bit.
More nails.
More nails.
Having fun?
Lots of fun.
It's getting quite warm out. Holy Christmas.
Yes.
Especially when you got rubber boots on.
Sometimes put some shorts on.
Yes. Some of the black flies have more of us to eat.
Yes. Just about there.
Just about there, then we gotta cut these all off for length. And then run a, what do you call it?
What's that?
We gotta run a board around the outside. What is that called? Rim board?
Yes.
Look at me knowing things.
Yeah, paying attention.
Okay, so we've marked all these now. And Gary's gonna cut them all off. Be the same length. So anyway, we didn't notice when we put that board on there, but it's got a little bit of rod in it. So we're just gonna sister another board up to it, and
Twisted sister.
there you go. Fix her right up. Good as new.
Keep my nails a little higher.
There you go.
What's that?
Problem solved. So rim board next, eh?
Yep. Okay.
Yep. Good.
Up a little bit. Oh. That right there, okay, you can see.
Okay, so that's it for today. We got the rim board done all the way around. And the next stage will be for us to get back in where we've got some cedars cut. But it was too swampy to get them out when we did them that day. So we get a couple of dry days here, warm days, get dried up. We'll pull them out, mill them up, and make some deck boards.
Deck her all over.
Yep. Hey, before we go out, do you want to grab a leak or two?
There.
Okay, let's do that. Okay.
Grab. Fuck a leak here and have a bite.
These are wild leeks. Some people call them ramps. They're amazing flavor. And the smell, you can really smell them. Like a perfect marriage between an onion and a garlic.
Perfect.
They're super tasty. And we have tons of them, loads of them in here. We picked a bunch there last week and took them home and pickled them.
Really good.
And use them for snacks for the rest of the summer.
You want this one?
Now you go ahead.
Mm.
You're gonna have garlic breath.
Really
Might
good.
keep the bugs away.
Good morning, everyone. It's Gary and Stephanie. It's been a while. We've been busy working at the house, getting it ready to put it on the market to sell, build a new house. So we're finally back here at the mill. We're going to start putting the base together so we can move the mill from temporary onto top of this floor. So I brought back my 4-foot level just to straighten things out because I think we have a couple floor joists might be a little high. So when your level falls off your trailer and then you drive over it, I suppose it could still work. I don't think so.
Around the corner.
So now I've got to buy a new level. So we're going to use our nail gun and use galvanized nails to put this decking down, and we'll see what happens.
It's really hot for this early in the morning. Last few weeks have been warming up tremendously.
That's good.
One more little board in the end.
Yep.
This one?
Yep, go ahead. And then come to this end when you're done. Pull that in. There you go. Pull that in and then feel it. Oh, what did I say I needed? Okay, as you can see, we're moving right along here. We have various widths of boards here. We're just laying down. We're just making sure that each row is the same width. And we'll get this base down. Our temporary base over there was moving too much on us, so they're up and down a little bit. So that's fine for a base, but our finished product, when we're done, we want it to be a little more consistent.
Just a couple of them?
No.
Oh, it's getting hot.
There we go. Got some burrs. Just a minute, Stephanie. Burrs. Get some of these out. The blade being dull or what?
It shouldn't be dull.
Okay, ready? There, that's a lot better. There we go. A lot of boards here. Yeah, we might have enough to take this halfway across.
What are you doing, Rippy? Are you digging up that rock? There. Here, take a second and throw that stick for Rippy.
Who, me?
Yeah. I'm going to show you. Throw it in the long grass. I think he's part rabbit. It's so funny. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Day 2 of installing the decking on our mill here. We have 3/4 of it done, so we're done playing with a moving base over there. That's been down there all winter, so we have a few inconsistencies. I'll probably show you.
Doesn't matter. We used all various widths on purpose because we wanted to make the most out of every piece, every
Not
log
bad.
that we cut. So.
A few spots here and there it's open, but that's all right. It's just a mill base. A couple spots here and there. But overall, it'll serve the purpose of setting the mill up here, and we have to put a canopy
Yes.
over top. It's pretty warm out. It's probably 28 today right now, so.
Hot.
All right, we're gonna move the mill head over. Going now?
Hey?
Is it going now?
Yep. At least I think so.
Can you inside those two first?
changed our level yesterday. We're going to be using the transit method. We're going to shoot 4 corners first and see if they're close, and then go from there. Which one do you want to do first?
Doesn't matter. 2 corners.
Over
Side by
here?
side, yep.
Where do you want to measure from? The
Right on
bunker?
the rail.
The rail?
Yeah. 27 and 5/8.
27 and 5/8.
Yes. 27 and 9/16. Close enough.
And
Okay.
shoot this one again, see how close. I didn't snug the top one up.
Seven and 5/16. That's got to go down yet. 5 more 16ths. You're probably going up. But we need it running.
Oh. right there. I'll let her down a little bit.
How are we gonna get it up over those stops?
We'll figure that out in a minute.
Take them off.
We'll figure that out in a minute.
Take them off.
Put it down. Push it forward anymore?
I can't when everything's gonna drop. Let's take those back stops off and roll it up on top.
We have to take it up.
Should I bring it back and set it down?
Can't push it that way anymore?
Which way?
This wheel's on. Can you let it down?
Bolts on the side are hitting.
Can we, if we let it down, can we lift this up ourselves? Let it down. Try letting it down where it is.
Man, the bolts are hitting. It's in the rail. Right there. Back. Bolts are hitting. There. That's still hitting. Here, I'll pick this up. Put blocking under this.
Good idea.
Set that down now.
Just a minute. Let me line it up on the front. Okay, now bring it down. Bring it down.
Slower.
Put it down. Okay, front wheels are on.
Are they on?
Yep.
Well, then we should be able to take that strap off now.
Okay.
Watch yourself. Go another block here. Maybe we can pick it up and keep moving it a little bit. Most of the weight should be forward. Okay. Can we move it forward a couple inches here? Ready? Wait. Are you going all the way?
We can.
Wait. Just a minute here.
Move yours.
I want to put another block here just in
I
case.
just
it
move
falls.
mine. Here, just move. Here, lift this up. I'll move yours. Ready? Ready to move again? Want to move your block again? Mine moving easy.
We don't want it to fall off though.
Oh, ready? Okay, can we take it all the way? You gotta go over the stop. We want to go a little closer first, and then we'll do the big one.
Put it up on top of the block here.
Now you ready to do it?
Right?
Yep.
There. Wait. Are you on?
I am. Ah. Run. Have room to go down there?
I got room to walk here, and then I'll just have to walk around like this maybe. I can do that. I can do that.
There you go. See if you can slide all the way. Go up. Oh. Go up in there. I don't think that's avoidable.
That's like right on.
I know. It's not avoidable. I don't. It never shows up in the wood.
You got a plan?
Yes. So,
Okay, go ahead.
So we came back here today just to finish the last few pieces of the mill base and finish up this video, which has been going on for way too long, but it's been so hot and so wet in this spring that we've only had certain times to get back here. Anyway, today it's extremely hot, so we're gonna pack it in here shortly because it's only getting hotter. But we've pretty much got her done.
Base is all done. Now we can get into some red pines and make our trims for the house, which is starting probably in a couple of weeks' time. The driveway went in on Friday. Today's Wednesday. So
Yep.
hopefully we get a hole in the ground in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, so our next video should be the start of our new house, digging out the foundation and getting the foundation started. I think we're going to end this one with taking Rippy to the creek and have him cool off for a nice cool swim.
And you can see it's all done. It's 25 by 15.
We'd have a concert up here.
Yes, nice and big. We'll lay our lumber down through here. Oh, longer stuff can go there. And eventually we'll have a roof over this, probably this fall. All right, signing off.
Relaxation day.
Yes.
Play with the dog at the creek. Hey, buddy. Is that a rock? Where'd it go? Where'd the rock go? Get it. Where's that rock? Where's that rock?